Hey there! As much as it is important to identify the needs of system, it is equally important to know how to implement those needs. Let us look at the tools which are used in order to make the analysis representable. The very first tool is a flowchart. A flowchart is an organized combination of shapes, lines, and text that graphically illustrates a process or structure. Or in simple terms, it is a pictorial representation showing all of the steps of a process. Now, a simple question can arise that what is a flowchart used for? Well, as a pictorial representation of data flow, flowcharts are useful in writing a program or an algorithm and explaining it to others. We can use them to explain the logic behind a program before even starting to code the automated process and provide a guideline when it comes time to code. Also, they are used for defining and analyzing processes. For example, what is the registration process for entering freshman students? Building a step-by-step picture of the process for analysis, discussion, or communication purposes. Defining, standardizing, or finding areas for improvement in a process. Now, how are flowcharts categorized? Let's explore a bit. Different authors describe various types of flowcharts in different terms. These people include published experts such as Alan B. Sternekert, Andrew Werenus, Marilyn Bowl, and Mark A. Fryman. Sternekert, in his 2003 book, Critical Incident Management, listed 4 popular flowchart types framed around the concept of flow controls rather than the flow itself. Number 1. Document flowcharts. These have the purpose of showing existing controls over document flow through the components of a system. The chart is read from left to right and documents the flow of documents through the various business units. Another category is data flowcharts. These show the controls governing data flows in a system. Data flowcharts are used primarily to show the channels that data is transmitted through the system rather than how controls flow. System flowcharts. These show the flow of data to and through the major components of a system, such as data entry, programs, storage media, processors, and communication networks. Program flowcharts are the last category, which show the controls placed internally to a program within a system.